I say is we rolling. I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider, and as you can see, I done gloved up. I got a tire right here up under this truck, and I'm about to put this tire on the inside right here and replace that flat tire. This ain't gonna take long. However, this is something I don't think I've ever posted to my channel, with me changing the inside tire like this, having the jacket up and everything. I'm usually doing like outside tires and super singles and stuff. But let's go ahead and switch it up a little bit. This job, it officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. No, I need them pliers. Had to pull out that 20 time, baby. We're gonna get him right down that U-boat, and this thing finna be easy. Let me move that. We on now, yes sir. Yes sir. We coming up in the world, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. $7.45. Let's go. Ooh, she already out the wheel and everything, but it finna be too easy. Let me grab my soap water, man. I don't even need the hammer jet bars. I don't even need my hammer, just the bars. Watch him pop. Oh! Y'all, I added some water to my lube the other day. It done got a chance to thicken up. Cue the Angel Halo music, please. When I tell you this the perfect lube, the valve stem looks real good. I ain't gonna change it. Let's go. Ooh, she slid on too easy, baby. I want you to make it a little harder for me, please. Watch it drop. Watch it drop. Don't spin out. We in room. Let me take that core out, man. We're gonna send some air to it very quick, very fast, because I got other customers waiting. You know I had to bring out the Cheetah tank. What y'all want me to do? Want me to do the tank cam? You know what? Let's do it. I ain't did it in a minute. Y'all give me 1 second. I got you. Let's see what that Cheetah tank do. Watch me now. When I tell you the joker right here, my best friend. Outside of the real best friends I got, but out here on the road, the joker right here, my best friend, but I ain't using no cage, so I'm gonna make sure I check the side of that tire. It ain't swelling up, it ain't knotting up. It ain't swelling up, it ain't knotting up on this side. Let's see how much air we got in there. We got 65. This is a used tire. I'm only gonna put them about 95 in there. But first, I'm gonna put my core back in. Let's see how much air we got in our mind. 90. Let me put them a few more pounds. Let's go. You know I'm gonna put my valve cap on there. I can't have them riding around exposed. Pro tip, when you putting tires back on the semi-truck on the dually axle, make sure that inside valve stem can be reached. Don't put it on that way you can't get to it, or where the next tire man can't get to it, because it's gonna make us work harder than what we need to, especially if we just want to air it up. Now I gotta unbolt it, spin this outside wheel just to expose that. Always make sure you can get to that inside one. The outside one gonna be easy. Don't block the inside valve stem. Nascar, is you ready? Just gonna let that jack down, man, so we can get up out of here. I hope y'all can see this. Slide up out that hole real quick, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate y'all for coming on this job with me. A success.